Diba, Nika? Tayo, grade shaker. Let's put it. Put everything. Put everything.
Remember what again? The butter has to be
Butter ikay sama?
soft.
Soft. Okay, and then we have to put the sugar and the milk. The sugar and the milk. Okay, wait, not this. This is the milk. Take a hand. But I think I need, hold on. I think I need a cup. I'll be right back. This one. Woohoo. Wait for the milk, wait lang. Oh, Shobe is here. Our other bebe. Okay, Mommy, ni puchi kayo ma. Put this. Okay, and then I'll put the milk. A little bit of milk. And then mix again. I think I need to put the Young, of course. You are sweetest little baby in town. Okay. Why don't we put some more sugar? We add the sugar. Oh, see? No, this one is last. Take a chill last. Way last. Put a little bit more. Little by little lang, ha? And then, Mommy add the sugar again. Wow, Ati! Nakapili ka icing na. Hold on. Hold on, ha? Oh, may putche ka. Naman, nice lang, ha? We put everything. Yes, I think I'm blocking your face, so let me just do this instead. Because Yaw kaniya. Okay, and then we put the okay. I add all the milk. Yummy, we need to put the
vanilla
extract. You're very good. You're the best. Yay! Ay, nako. Talagang ang anak ko ang galing. Okay. Let's mix again for the final time. Yay! O, sige. Help Mommy. Isiwan kan Mommy baking, ma. Mommy o Daddy?
Daddy and Mommy.
One lang. Okay. 我要跟你，我不要跟Daddy. Okay, I think we're done. Now, we're ready.
Daddy can
Okay, I love you too and Daddy. I think now, it's time.
你说你不要 Daddy.
No, I love Daddy. 我在骗你啦. Okay, now, what we need to do is to put the icing in the piping bag. Oh, of course, we are a family. That's why we love everybody.
Put this chair like a heart.
Okay, now, let me transfer the butter.